Hello everyone, welcome back to the web development series. In today's video, we are building a personal bio page using HTML and CSS, which will be perfect for your portfolio or resume website. It will be clean, responsive, and beginner friendly. So let's jump right into the code. Here you can see in VS Code, I have basic HTML structure I have already created. You need to create a folder where you have to create index.html and style.css. Here, today we are going to use external CSS. Here I have already linked using style.css, and in the same folder you must have your image that will be used while creating. So let's start. Firstly, you just create a normal basic structure, then we will move to the body. So in body, just create a first div with class container. We will design it. So div class container is now created. Here we will create another div for our profile image. So div class we will use here profile image. So it will be image src. Src will be your file name. Alt, that is alternate text. इसको हम लिख देंगे profile picture. You can name it anything like my profile or whatever. So here I just need an image. So like my file name is resident.png. So just select it. So this will be our profile image. So let's create another section, bio. So for that div, and we will use class for it is bio info. So bio info, this will be our class. And this bio info div will be in our main div. Just paste it here. And here we will write our first heading h1. Hi, I am Sajal Saxena, and you can write your name as well. And you can add emoji here like this. Here I have added it. So now write tagline. For tagline, use class tagline. So I will just copy the tagline from my portfolio. So I have copied it, so I will paste it here. So it's the tagline. Now write something about yourself in your bio. So I am writing about myself. You can write about yours. So I just copied it and pasted it over here. So I have written 2 lines here. And I love building modern websites using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So I am currently in React and contributing to open source projects. You can write anything here. So now create a div for links. It will be your social links or project links. even your GitHub links. So for that, create another div here, create anchor tag href. First will be your mail, so mail to, yeah, I have done info@internDesire.com. So here it is info@internDesire.com. You can write anything and just close up and mention it email. Now create another one, href. It will be GitHub, so like GitHub, https://github.com/ Srina Sajal 03, and you can mention here your profile, so it will be GitHub. So here you can see your GitHub link. So similarly we can add LinkedIn link here, so just copy here and add the LinkedIn. So here I pasted all my LinkedIn link. So LinkedIn profile LinkedIn is here. Just save it and firstly check what's the outcome. So here you can see it looks like this. Hi, I am Sajal Saxena, aspiring full stack developer, web enthusiast. It is not showing any appearance or CSS because we didn't create it, so we just mentioned the class. So now create CSS now. Let's move to style.css. So remove whatever it is, it's old. So container wraps the entire page layout, so we'll design accordingly. Profile image will show the profile picture and bio info overs, name, intro and link. So just add it, and here we will use in our body we have font family area, so we can use here CSUI. I am using a CJoy UI. It is a font we can use, and background I will use here. So background will be, so I will use a background color F for everybody. So this will be background color, not complete white, but somehow it looks like white. Color, then color for text. So it's color, then display. Display we already told. Display will be flex. Justify. Content. Center. Align items. This will be also in center. Next will be minimum height. It will be 100 vertical height. So just save it firstly and remove it. We don't need it. It's older one. Just remove it. Save it and check now what's the changes now. So here you can see some very little change here. First is font changes, and another thing is it is in now center. So So let's design our main container. That will be dot, because class represents with dot, so dot container. So now we will design container here fastly because video is getting larger, so design it fast. Background will be white, so for that we will use FFF. Padding we can use student, max width, max width will be 600 pixel, border radius 12 pixel, box shadow it will be 0, 10 pixel, 25 pixel, RGBA 0, 0, 0, 0.1, and text align will be center. Just save it and now check what's the change here. So here you can see it's a card-like structure and it is showing like that. So let's design more things. Now let's design profile image. Profile image, and it will be image tag. We will specifically design it. So I think we are missing something. Profile image. No, it's perfect. No issues. Okay. So just with. So without wasting time, I just copied the and will explain. Wait. So here we have width, height, border radius 50%, object width cover, margin bottom 1 then border. So just save it and let's check what's now changed. So here you can see it looks like this. First border radius is 50%, so from every 50% then it will makes a circle over here. So let's design H1 our bio info dot bio info H1. So bio info H1 we will use a font size that will be 2 then color now for tagline it will be $tagline. So here we have tagline, font size, and now already written here bioinfo P, bioinfo for paragraph. So font size 1 line height 1.6, margin bottom 1.5 rem, and this is for links that we created. And links hover means when we hover with mouse. So for that, hovering with mouse. So for that, color will be changed. So just save it and check it. Yeah, now it looks like this. Email, GitHub, LinkedIn. I love building modern websites using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I am currently learning React and contributing to open source projects. So this is something like this. So Let's check it is mobile responsive or not. So decrease it. No, it's not. So make it mobile responsive also. So just write media queries here and it is mobile responsive. Then add media max width 600 pixel. Here we will design conditional. If it doesn't follow, then margin will be 1 gram. Padding 1.5 gram. So similarly for bioinfo, if I just paste it, then it will be okay because video is getting longer. So I am just pasting here. So here we have written for responsiveness, media queries for container, bioinfo, and links. Just save it and now check whether it is responsive or not. So let's shrink screen size. Now you can see it is responsive. So it is now mobile responsive as well. So finally, today we have created a personal bio page, and by that or by using it, you can also create your portfolio and even a resume page to make it more advanced. So thank you guys. We will meet soon in our next video. Thank you.